Hello and welcome. Today we're going to go through how to install your Truevo PrestaShop Module. You've just completed the Truevo application process. What to do now? Once your account has been set up, you'll receive an email from our team with a link to our developer docs and 3 pieces of information: your MID, TID and API token. From the developer docs, you're going to find the PrestaShop Module instructions. We suggest fully reading through these before getting started, but if you don't want to, you can just follow along to this video. Start by downloading the module. Please do not unzip or rename the file, as this will cause the installation to fail. Next, we suggest making a backup of your store if you do not have one. To start the installation process, you need to log into your PrestaShop admin. From here, select Modules, Module Manager, Upload a Module. Select the zipped plugin you just downloaded, making sure it's the latest version. Once the module is uploaded, select Configure. From here, you will be directed to the module's configuration page. First, you're going to check that the Truevo gateway has been enabled. Next, you need to add a payment method title. This is what your customers will see when choosing a payment method on your checkout page. Keep it short and simple. After adding the title, you need to give it a payment method description. Use this to tell your customers a little bit more about the card options you offer. Once you've added the title and description, you're going to go down to the Production Merchant ID, Production Terminal ID, and Production Authentication Token. Copy those 3 pieces of information from the email you received. The rest of the configuration settings are completely up to you. Enabling pre-authorization allows you to take pre-authorized payments and capture them later on. Please note that in order to take pre-authorized payments, you need to have set this up during your application process. If you did not do this, please contact your support team for assistance in getting it set up. If you enable pre-authorizations, but it has not been set up on your account, payments will fail. Enabling tokenization allows customers who have an account on your site to securely save their card details for convenient repeat purchases. We also encourage you to enable logging. This will help you identify any issues that might arise with a payment. Finally, save your configuration changes and you're ready to start accepting payments.